Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic today is about activity-based costing. So now I want to show you how to answer. Let's say we have the full database and we want to use about activity-based costing. Let's say I select about kitchen renovation. So in here, the first thing on this one, we will write about kitchen renovation. And then I will write about income statement. So the next one, for the year ended December 31st, 2022. So this is the first step. Now, because we have 4 activities in here, that means you need to create about 4 tables. So I just create one table in here, and the last 2 tables you can do by yourself. And now we have cell, we have kitchen renovation. We need to select about this number in here for the cell, and we put this one cone here. And the next one, about administrative costs, we need to arrange based on our work in here. So we see that the kitchen renovation, the number of hours is about 6,750. So if we want to find this salary, office cost, and other administrative expense, we need to use this formula in here. So we use about the kitchen renovation hours, that is about 6,750 in here, and the total hours, that should be about 27,000 in here. So let's say I will have this one in here. For example, I want to calculate about this one. So I will use about 216,000. I will divide by total hours in here, 27,000. Because we want to distribution about the cost based on the working hour. So we have 6,750. So this one we calculate, and we have 54,000. So this one we have negative 54,000. Now we do the same technique for office cost. So we put 26,000 gold here. And this one we calculate, and we have 6,500. So we put this one in here. And the next one, we use about 87,000 gold here. And we have 21,750. So we can find the total administrative costs. So that should be about negative 82,250. Now let's go to the next one. that is about project management. So we just use the same. We just use about this number in here. We divide by total hours. Then we multiply by 6,750. And this one, we have negative 40,500. So we have negative 40,500. Now let's go to the next one. Look, this is about renovators' salaries. So because we just have only renovation, only 2 renovations in here, that means we need to sum 2 hours in here. So we have 13,500. And we know that we have the total that is about this one. Oh, sorry. This one, sorry. 756,000. So to calculate about renovators' salaries, so we have this one. We use about 756,000. We divide by total hours in here. We multiply by 6,750. And this one we have negative 378,000. And the last one, that is about materials and supply purchased. So we just have only these numbers in here, because we just select about the kitchen. And now after we have everything, we can calculate about profit and loss. So we need to use about cell. We minus all the numbers in here. And this one we have negative 250,950. And that is about the loss. Now you can do by yourself for bathroom, water damage and other repairs. So be careful about water damage and other repairs. We don't have about this one, because this one they just distribute for renovation. That is the end. Thank you for watching.